Hey, what's going on, everybody? Travis here with Hop Sauce Investing. I'm checking in. I've been talking about covered calls in this safe cash flow system that's kind of slow and steady. But guess what? This channel started on my love of crypto and cryptocurrency. The reason why I kind of stepped away from it on my channel a little bit, it's been boring. But the thing is, in 2026, it's boring as heck right now. But you know what? That's exactly the time when we need to start paying attention. The opportunities are knocking on our doorstep, people. I know it sucks. Everybody's down. Trust me, in 26, I stopped looking at my crypto accounts. To be honest with you, I don't like looking at things when it doesn't mess with my mindset. Trust that what I'm saying right now, we are towards the bottom. The opportunities are starting to ripen. Okay, I'm going to show you a couple of charts. Okay, look, the big cycles with cryptocurrency, the crazy volatility, the Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRPs, and the meme coins, man, there's just volatility. Massive opportunities show up when everybody else gets bored. And that's where we're sitting right now. I think it's time to start really getting academic again in this market. Honestly, where we're at right now I think it's time to dig back in. Stock market's been pushing towards these all-time highs. Like the AI stocks are overvalued heavily. Tech stocks, semiconductors, that's 50% of the market cap of the entire stock market. S&P 500 is in those areas. Scary. So we need to be cautious of that. Crypto has been beaten down, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, Bitcoin's pulled away from its all-time high. Ethereum's crushed. XRP is sitting at these levels. It's just freaking people out. Okay, and that's why I had a conversation with a gentleman every day. Plus, hey, by the way, Christian, what's up, man? I want to give you a shout out. Had a talk with Christian yesterday. I know I started the crypto homies. Tella, what's up, John Boy? My new buddy Scott, just wanted to say, what's up, fellas? That's the crypto crew. Thank you for checking in the videos, and I feel bad for not sharing charts and things that I started this channel on, but I'm coming at you today with it. Okay, I'm going to show you what's up. Let's look at the XRP chart. Okay, here's the XRP chart, daily candles. Now, I have to go back and review real quick. I was looking at this potentially bull flag pattern right here. We had this big drop and it recovered. So our trading range is in between this. Let me put my bottom line back in here. Okay, as long as the price action didn't drop below the bottom of this flagpole, we were sitting in a bullish scenario. Now, right around 130, okay, right here, to around 150. Remember, this isn't an exact science. Okay, we're not making jewelry. These are roundabout pictures. We're just looking for probabilities on this thing. So look how many times this price action tested the 150. We had that huge wick. That was weird. But it came back down. Okay, it's testing this 130. Broke through, but you can't really count that. Right here, touched up here. It was kind of weird how it did crawl through, but look at all these touch points. Boom, just solid support level at 130, solid range in between 130 and 150. And so I knew, technically speaking, what I've learned as an investor is that when this range gets so tight and it breaks out, it's going to continue in that direction. Okay, when it comes to retest that level. So look at this. Man, I thought that could be a breakout because I have a trend line that met right up it. But guess what? If it doesn't break out, it creates a stronger resistance. That's what it, by definition. So we trickled back down here. Look what happened. We broke the 130 just as I thought. And I'd been saying this in conversation. It's going to drop down. Okay, now these are the daily candles. Look what happened. I have another trend line. This goes way back, this green one. Busted through that as well. We were doing some things, came and retested this trend line right here. Because remember, once we break through, it's going to continue in that direction and then retest. That's what happened. So let me move to the 30-minute. These are the daily candles real quick here. Let's look at the 30-minute candles so I can kind of show you where we're sitting right now. Okay, now we're sitting at daily candles. Now I'm going to draw a couple lines. There's some similar things. This isn't quite a flag pattern as strong of one because the rebound is only up to here. But I'm going to put a line right at the bottom of this flag. Okay, right around $1. Okay, it's $1. I wasn't even looking at the price. I just want to draw my line here. And then we got one right up here. It's right around $1.05. Okay, so that's 04.9. So we're going to say $1 to $1.05 is our new range that we got to pay attention to. See how it bounced off of this support level, and then the bulls came in. This green, this is the volume candle, went way above the 20-bar average down here, this blue line. And so the bulls were in control right here once it bounced off that dollar. Dollar is a strong support level, okay? Again, if it breaks below that dollar, ladies and gentlemen, what do you think is going to happen? We are going to see a strong move down to the next level. And I'm going to show you that. Okay, and so look at the resistance. Ba-boom, ba-boom, ba-boom. The resistance is crazy right here. So we have a green candle today, but it's low volume. Okay, not much strength index. It's compressing. Pay attention at the $1 to $1.05. That's our trading range right now. Now, I just want you to know I wouldn't make any decisions right now. If it breaks out and confirms and retests the $1.05 and then moves up again, that's when we can start saying, maybe this is the bottom. Look, down here is a good time to get in anywhere. Don't seek perfection when trading. Just seek higher probabilities. Okay, I've got some XRP. I did sell some for a profit, up a little higher, whatever. But I am looking to get back in personally if it gets below $1. Here's why. Let's scroll out. Okay, I'm going to go back to the daily candles here. Oh, I did draw a line on this chart. Okay, we're back on the daily. Now look at this pink line right here that we've touched twice. Okay? The bottom pink one is the $1. I'm going to shrink it up. Now, when we go back, see, these two lines are my range. There was no level here back in 24 when that sucker blew up. Just pumped high. Okay. We have some interesting stuff going on, technically speaking, because I will say this. There seems to be a pretty strong level from $1 to $1.05. Now, if we break through that, here's the main part of my discussion today. The next level that I'm seeing with 1, 2, 3, okay, about 4, it's a certain range. I'm going to say from 70 to about 78 is the next level. Now, if it breaks that level, okay, we're going down to like 30 cents or something, okay? Because look right here. See that 30? The 30 cents is a heck of strong little level right there. I don't think it's going to do that. I think that people are smart enough now to crypto's mainstream that if this thing breaks $1, we're going to see it turn around pretty quick. It might go down to the 70. That's my prediction on XRP, okay? I'm not trying to scare you guys. I'm just saying this is opportunity. This is a huge opportunity. I know your accounts are down. Don't worry about it. Do not sell when we're down at support levels, okay, everybody? Just stand by on that. It's a buying opportunity. You're going to see your accounts turn around sometime in 26. Okay, exciting stuff right there. Thanks for checking in, my crypto homies. I appreciate you guys. Just know it's going to turn around. And always remember, you can never lose if you don't sell when your portfolio is red. Okay? If your numbers are red, don't sell. That's why you shouldn't be investing with money that you need to pay your bills. Okay? That's supposed to be the other stuff. So to each their own. If you do have to sell when you're down, life, there's unexpected things that come up in life. If you have to sell, you have to sell. But like I said, don't sell anything until it's green and you get a win. That's a message today. Thanks for checking in, everybody. Give me that thumbs up. Would you share this video too, if you would, please? It really helps the algorithm. My channel got messed up because when I started talking about stock market halfway through there, it didn't know what to do with the crypto homies, and so I feel like my views went down and stuff like that, but it doesn't matter. I love doing this stuff. I love sharing what I learn along the way, and we're just going to keep on trucking. All right, thanks a lot, everybody. Peace out. Enjoy the today's Friday. Enjoy your weekend. Do something fun out there. Reset the brain. All right, peace out.